Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our first video from our series Top 5 Tips for Marketing with Facebook Live. I am very excited that you are here with me because Facebook Live, it's a very big opportunity right now for those of you who are already marketing on social media, especially on Facebook, or are just starting out to build an audience, to interact with an audience, to build out credibility, to market and sell products. Facebook Live, it's a huge opportunity at the moment right now. So let's dive into a short introduction just before showing you these 5 tips that will improve your marketing with Facebook Live. So first of all, I want you guys to know some things about Facebook Live if you haven't used it already. First of all, Facebook Live is one of Facebook's newest features and allows any user of Facebook to broadcast live from his mobile device on his profile, page, group, or event. So in other words, you take your phone, you take your smartphone, your tablet, and if you are maybe somewhere at a big event of your company, you can practically film around and stream live in the same time on your Facebook company page or anything like that. Okay, that's about it. For the time being, a Facebook Live video is limited at 90 minutes. Facebook recommends you to film at least 10 minutes, but it's limited at 90 minutes maximum. So anyway, it's more than enough to send your message and interact with your audience. It allows you to build a following for your live events. This is very important. Be sure that you have a first outstanding Facebook Live, because if you have a first outstanding Facebook Live, you will build a following for your next events. So practically people can hit subscribe or follow, to be more exact, when they are watching you. That's how they will get further notification for your next Facebook Lives. It allows you to interact with your viewers because you have live commenting from them. So any viewer that it's in real time when you are streaming your Facebook Live can comment, give you likes, okay? And practically you can interact with that viewer, with that user. Basically, it's a great new method to market your business, build an audience, and get more followers for your social media presence. Now that was all, guys. I will see you in our next video with new information. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.